Reference for
Our starting lineup is presented by Buenas, Hubert Cani, Renz Palma, James Una, Mark Atabay, and Alvin Capobres para sa Negros. Davao Occidental has June Manzo, Dave Arana, Kelly Nabo, Chris Lalata, and Kenneth Ighalo.
Yung departure ni Jeff Comia, really malaking trabaho para kay Coach Bonnie Garcia. Especially yung defensive pattern, yung substitution pattern mo eh.
Manzo. Nabong is open for three. Yes.
Favorite spot.
No smiles from Kelly Nabong as he knocks down. It's a kick ball.
Oh, no call.
No call. Nabong on the move.
Good
Drop
pass
pass to Arana. Two plays and two great decisions.
And you know, Renz, talagang if you talk about green light, in their last game, he was 9 out of 23 from the field. So kahit ganong karaming tira niyan, ibibigay lang talaga ni Coach Bonnie Garcia.
That's the problem. The problem is opportunity para dito sa Davao Occidental. This three-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Kenneth Ighalo from Beyond the Arc.
From Coach Louie.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And syempre, when you have players going and leaving, you have opportunities for other players as well.
The leader of this Negros Muscovados team, eventually.
Una drives left. Oh, great move. Galing kay James Una.
Yeah, great response off that quick timeout nitong Negros 4-0 run.
Renz Palma. Tumatakbo ngayon. Palma.
Good pass.
Nice pass to Jeremy Cruz.
And the luxury of having a player like in the likes of Renz Palma.
Here's Ighalo. Atake against Palma. Ighalo getting aggressive.
6 points already itong si Ighalo. And
let's watch this play of the game. Brought to you by Buenas. It's a good look and a good cut dun sa ilalim. Galing kay Jeremy Cruz for the finish.
Now said that.
Sabi ni Renz Palma, wait lang. Ito ako, titira ko na tres, pabanda pa.
That's all confidence.
And Renz Palma just is stopped. Palma goes all the way. Nice pass to the Flores. And it's Renz Palma putting on a show here for Negros.
And you know what I like with his game right now? Naka-adjust na yung mga teammates niya para sa kanya. And every time he runs, tumatakbo na rin yung iba sa Delph.
Oh. And they're not just standing around waiting for him to make something happen. The teammates of Renz Palma have a clear understanding that he is the go-to guy and they will be there to support. How about Pio Longa, Coach? Yung pagpakondisyon niya dito.
And this guy, si Pio kasi deceiving eh. Pero yung smarts niya, yung his basketball IQ, outstanding sa Delph.
Gabriel and Formento. I remember. And Bonnie Garcia. Sa San Lorenzo.
San Lorenzo.
As Yutian Andrada puts it in for two. The rebound. Bonbon to Lohera. Atake si Kurt. Layup, no go to Malip with a tip-in. 18-6.
Renz Palma team, itong Negros Muscovados.
First quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. The goal shooting in that first quarter. Lorenzo. Gabriel pick and pop. Yes.
Ayun ang malapit na pick and pop. Halos magkatabi lang. Magandang pick up eh. Kasi yung nakikita kong pinick up ni Coach Bonnie Garcia for the Negros are quality point guards sa Delph. You know, it started when they step up defensively sa Delph. Mas naging aktibo sila defensively. Mas gumagalaw na sila. Then, after that, nakuha na nila yung rhythm nila.
Lorenzo. Now with Cani, taken away by Lohera. Lohera with a finish. The fast break of the game brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. Kani na bitawan ng bola. Lohera will lay it in for 2. Kani.
Good move.
Nice move. Hubert Kani. And that from outside could not get the bounce. B-Boy Engyo on the putback. And Davao with the lead, 27.
You like the activity down low, no?
Oh, Palma. Flores on the putback. 6 points para kay Jared Flores. Instant impact. Drives right at Flores. Natapikan ni Ramos. Here's Engyo over Ramos.
And that's one thing na kailangan paghandaan ng player na ito.
Tabay will pull up off the glass and in.
Basic.
Flores, he'll step into this 3 and knock it down.
And again, I think ayun yung reseta eh. Right na nahanap niya na spot before.
Na may production.
Oo, na meron siyang 3-pointer, meron siyang 4 na malaki na can hit it from the outside.
And here's Flores, 9 points already para sa Muscovados, and they have a 2-point lead as Davao calls timeout.
Really designed for him.
Yeah, he did get the opportunity after that defensive stop. 32 all, this halftime score.
Second half nitong game na to. And you know, for Davao Occidental, if they wanted really to maximize itong si Arthur De La Cruz, siguro mas dapat objective yung kanila. If they yung half niya, no? Maganda na pang big man na talaga eh.
Oo.
Ngayon, nakitang-kita mo na it is around 6'4", 6'5". Kasi before, medyo Yankee eh. Kaya
scored a couple of baskets here in the third. Negros naghahanap pa ng una nilang basket. Binigay agad ni Renz Palma.
Especially going to his home.
Ano mo dito? Absorbing the contact from Lalata.
And I think he really loves it playing under Coach Bon.
There are others who really relish that opportunity. One of them is Renz Palma, who now has 10 points in the ball game. Engyo with a response.
Yeah, 8 points off the bench. Itong si B-Boy Engyo.
B-Boy leaves it to Art for the 2 points. May 7 puntos na para kay Art De La Cruz. Ang napituan ng foul, pang-apat niya na yan as we watch this fast break of the game brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. That's a poor foul para kay James Una.
And especially in this game, Sedel, parang hindi niya nakukuha yung rhythm niya because napunta in early foul trouble eh.
Art De La Cruz finishing that. Gabriel saves it to Flores. Flores to Palma. Palma is blocked by Engyo. Flores puts it back in.
J.R. Flores.
11 points in the ball game para kay tough shot. Palma is ahead of the pack. Great pass by Gabriel. The hang time from Renz Palma.
Yeah, favorite move. That sidestep.
Bakit? Ighalo on the other end with a strong finish.
And you know, every time that happens, you know, the energy.
Manzo back the other way. June Manzo with the finish.
And that's a guy that I think with yung key losses nila really needs to step up and play consistently. Itong si June Manzo.
Well, Hubert Kani was just looking for that free throw line kasi doon talaga siya titira. And he knocks down that jumper, 46-43. De La Cruz with a reverse. 10 puntos na para kay Art De La Cruz. Palma. Three-pointer, pasak yan.
Feeling it. And you know, with Renz, no, you just have to wait for him.
46, Palma with the steal.
Ayan na naman. Bicol on the run. Negros on the run.
And Renz Palma, one of the finest finishers in the open court, 19 points.
Parang isang player na lang yung nakakahawak ng bola all the way to the basket eh.
Oh, Baila able to score 4 points. Will be protecting a 4-point lead as we head into the fourth. This third quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official. Baila will make his move. Baila
Good
inside.
defense there by Atabay.
Nabong, couple of fakes, and Kelly Nabong puts it in for 2. 7 points para kay Kelly. Oh, pero may nakita yung referees natin. As Lohera misses the layup. Nabong inside. Kelly. 9 points para kay Kelly Nabong.
Oo naman. Pangalawa na yan, Sedel.
Yung Linggo, wala. Ra Flores, no. Una, blocked. Palma gets the loose ball and will lay it in for 2. Grabe yung sequence na yun for Negros. 22 points na. Ighalo will need to shoot here. That won't go. Palma to Una. James Una will lay it in.
Parang point guard What a finish.
Refusing to wilt against the Davao Occidental Tigers. James Una, a recipient of a great pass galing kay Renz Palma for the 2 in front of him. Manzo got the step. The kick out to Ighalo.
Great defense by the Muscabados.
Manzo puts it in for 2. Not a shot galing kay June Manzo.
Sakit no.
Ighalo against Palma. Gets it to Art De La Cruz. The jumper is good.
And again, especially if you have guys like Art De La Cruz, Kenneth Ighalo, and you to maximize their talent. And is this one, Kenneth Ighalo. So let's see this shot by Jun Manso beating that shot clock. And again, that setup, that interior triangle setup, Kenneth Ighalo to Art De La Cruz dun sa nail for 2 points.
Parang mas effective siya na ganun eh.
Oo naman, Sedel.
Longa with the runner. He'll get the bounce. Balik sa 6 ang kadamangan ng Davao. Renz Palma attacks middle. And he'll get the roll on that teardrop. 24 para kay Renz Palma.
Kurt Loreja, si Tumalip, Kelly Nabong, and Baila. Nag-iba na itsura sa Delphi.
That's 27 in the ball game. Atabay picks up his dribble. Una gets the loose ball. Una with a move. A sidestep. Beauty galing kay James Una.
I think that's the Renz Palma. Una hasn't been much factor in this ball game, but he knows his role to this Negros Muscovados team.
Oh, put back. Galing kay June Manzo. Second free throw. Good. Second
this game.
Longa to inbound. Binigay kay Kani. Renz Palma, Jeremy Cruz, and Gabriel. Longa for 3. Wala. Rebound. Gabriel saves it to Cruz. Palma down low. Naagaw. Loose ball ends up with Manzo.
Negros still has one more timeout. So most likely, Jun Manso makes the shot. There.
Tingnan natin yung nangyayari dito.
Shallow cut.
And Kenneth Ighalo immediately at Hubert Kani's grill. Kani.
So most likely, you're gonna switch this everything.
That's short. Tumalip gets the loose ball. Baila to Manzo. And Negros will fall short against the Davao Occidental Tigers.
For Davao to get that comfortable lead entering the second half. Ayun yung magandang ginawa niya, and they were able to protect that lead. Ito hanggang sa matapos na.
The final score is brought to you by GameX.